Hi, I'm Shannon with Chronic Pain Hacker. I just wanted to do a short PSA video to promote my book, which came out June 1st. It's for sale on Amazon in both Kindle and paperback format. It's been a struggle trying to figure out how to promote a book during a pandemic, so that's been interesting. Just wanted to do a quick summary. It is a journey through dealing with chronic pain. I talk about my journey of acquiring Guillain-Barre, which is a rare autoimmune disease. I got that back in 2014. And then after recovering from that, I had some non-epileptic seizures and anxiety and depression, all kind of mixed in together. And before I got Guillain-Barre, I had fibromyalgia. So you throw all that stuff together, it's definitely something hard to deal with. And back in 2014, I was in a really dark place. I was in a wheelchair and off and on, and I kept falling. When I would think I was doing well enough to walk with just a cane, I'd have a bad fall. So I got really, really down, and it took me a couple years to build myself back up. And the whole goal of the book is to focus on thriving and not just surviving. You know, finding the things that you love in life and falling in love with yourself again, because you have to grieve the person that you were before the illness. The good news is I like my new 2.0 version better than who I was before, but it's definitely a grieving process to grieve the life you had before. Anyway, if you would like to check this book out, it's on Amazon. You can find out more information about me at www.chronicpainhacker.com. I'm on Facebook and Instagram, also at chronicpain.com. I hope to hear from you guys. If you will like, share, and comment on this post and kind of help me get the word out. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.